Well, I haven't gotten too much done in the last couple of days. I have a friend visiting from out of town. We've done our running around for the day, and I'm bored. So what is it? It's quarter to one on a Wednesday afternoon. I've got the silver bike up on the lift, and I have the modified timing cover and modified oil pump from AMR, and I'm going to install that. Kevin and I have done several of these, so there's nothing new here for him to see, so he's not here. And I have the electric starter assembly here, and I'm going to install that, but I'm going to wait on this until tomorrow after the old guy's lunch, and because that will be something Kevin hasn't done, and I want to do it together, so he has that opportunity. Other than that, I'm rich with parts. I have all the parts for the little 441. I have all the parts for the isoelastics on this Norton. I have all the parts for everything that I need to do to this Beezer. The only other parts that I'm waiting on are, once again, still the instruments, the speedometer and drive cable for this bike. And theoretically, that should be here shortly. My bike's still sitting here, bored, not doing nothing, you know. Sooner or later, I got to get them up on the lift and get them running. Be interesting to see what I do with those. I don't really ride that much anymore. May have to let them go. Anyway, this bike is up on the lift, and I'm going to put the timing cover on now just to spend some time. And then tomorrow we'll put the Alton electric starter on it, and that ought to be fun. We'll see how that goes. Oh, not much else to say. I'm going to prime this pump and put it on the bike, and then put the cover on top. And that is all. Okay, it's about 3 o'clock or so. Yeah, 3 o'clock exactly. I'm going to call it a day because I got this timing cover put on. It didn't take all this time. I had other things I had to do, and I would come back and work on this every now and then. Maybe a total of 1 hour to put that on. Put the pump in, put the cover on, put the pressure relief valve on, the oil line on, get it all cleaned up, put the special tools away. So, didn't take all this time. I won't charge for that for sure. Now, let's see. At this point, it's tired time, and so I'm going to call it a tired and go inside. And maybe tomorrow, Kevin and I will work on this side, putting the electric starter on. That could be fun. So that's where we are. Got some bits and pieces over here. And over here, the Beezer we haven't gotten to, the Norton we're working up to, the little Beezer, I've got all the parts I ordered, they're here. Still waiting on the instruments on the yellow one, and my bike's still slumber.